Alright, so I just got the front cross member removed. Control arms removed. I mean, not control. Yeah, control arms, upper and lower removed, spindles removed from the original drums and everything. The left side, or the driver's side, was fairly simple, except for the one bolt for the upper control arm. Um, it stripped, so I ended up cutting it and then just beating it, and it all popped out pretty quick. And then just getting the cross member removed. As y'all can see, thing is filthy. Look at that. Just dirt hanging from years of working on a farm out in Mountain Home or in Idaho. So now it's just the process of I'm gonna clean that all up so I could start the getting it clean and painted and prepared. I still got to put the step notch in first before I actually paint everything. I'm just waiting until I actually get a chance to go and get a bottle of welding gas from the welding shop in town. They only open on weekdays and I work on the weekdays, so it's kind of hard to go out there and get one. And by the time I get off work, getting out there before they close doesn't really work. So it is what it is. I did change the garage around. I think I said that before, but I changed the garage around so I got the frame in the middle of the garage, which allows me to work on it in my spare time whenever I have the chance, instead of having to move the cab and all the other stuff, move the frame over. So having it right here in my face, I can work on it whenever I want, which is what I'm doing right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep on tackling this, getting it all cleaned up so I can prepare to get it painted. I might just paint after I clean it up, I might just paint the front first and then wait until I put the step notch in and then paint the second half or whatever. So who knows, but I'm gonna start the cleanup process now.